Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Today I have another fun video compilation set up. I'm sure some of you have noticed that I have added a timed 40 to 80 mile an hour roll-on test to my reviews on some of the classic bikes and some of my comparisons as well. The 40 to 80 mile an hour roll-on test was a metric that was used previously by magazine testers, and it really gives you a sense for how the bike responds from lower RPM up through the mid-range. That test really favors tuned for torque motorcycles and not necessarily motorcycles that have the strongest top end. I'm using the same venue to test all of the bikes from 40 to 80. The venue itself is a little bit uphill, and I'm also a tall, heavy guy. My weight is a factor, as is my wind resistance when I'm doing this test. So don't be thrown off if you see numbers that take longer in that test than you see in maybe an old magazine for the same bike. I do my best to make sure that all of these bikes are running as well as they should and functioning properly before doing the test. But some of the bikes are more modified than others, and so the results may not be exactly as you expect. And please don't be offended if your favorite bike does not win.
And go. And
Yeah.
One surprising thing in this test was that the bike that has done the best so far, this GS1100G, has more mileage on it than all of the other bikes in the test combined. This bike is also a touring bike, and that makes it all the more surprising. And it gives you a sense of the speed that a bike can generate in real world riding. Most of us aren't above 6,000 RPM on a daily ride. I ride a lot of these classic bikes, and the ones that are really fun are the ones that generate power from 2,500 RPM. I will continue to update the results of the test as I do more comparisons. As I ride these bikes more and get more familiar with them, a bike may pick up a couple of tenths in the testing, or if I do something that radically improves the performance, I will test it again and post that as well as time goes on. Well, I'd love to know what you guys think. If you're surprised by the results so far of the testing, please let me know in the comment section below. As always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, enjoy the ride.